Hey guys, welcome back to Titanium Man Garage. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a starter in a Polaris Sportsman 800. And this is an X2. It's pretty simple once you get everything out of the way. I'm going to remove the airbox, unplug the sensor. Next, I'm going to remove the throttle body just so that's out of the way, and I'll be able to get to that starter. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the battery, and these wires moved out of the way. I'm going to take the positive off here, and then your negatives here with these two bolts that need to come out. Grab the screwdriver, and she should just pop right out once I get everything removed. All right, I got everything disconnected. You can see there, positive and negative are disconnected. The two bolts are out. All you have to do is just try and pop this bad boy out. Like that. Now this starter was just sitting there whining. He was crying. No, I'm kidding. It was whining when I would hit the key, so I'm not sure if it's the starter or the Bendix, but I thought I'd do the easiest first and replace the starter, see if the issue goes away. And if it doesn't, then I'll be taking that cover off, removing the flywheel, and replacing the Bendix. Hope you like this little video, guys. Short and sweet, just like you like it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and like always, till next time.